Okay, so this is a quick update video. So at the moment I'm pretty busy. I've got a engine hoist in my shed at the moment, and I also bought a new toolbox, and I've got a heavy piece of equipment coming tomorrow, and I've got to move it myself. So I'm in the middle of making a like dolly which will go over grass, and I've got kind of like some wheels here and some metal. I've just welded this piece of M10 shaft on there, and I'm hoping that's going to be strong enough, because it's going to be carrying about, what is it, about 80-90 kilos. And I've got a bad back, so you know I don't really want to put my back out, so I'm hoping this is going to work. So yeah, I got two wheels here, which are old wheels off a really old lawnmower, which are really sturdy, and I've got these two which come off a lawnmower as well, which aren't so sturdy. So, and they're both different sizes, so I've got to weld this dolly up so it's kind of level anyway, at least. But yeah, so I'm kind of in a bit of a hurry, because what I ordered was going to take a couple of weeks, and now they've decided it's going to be delivered tomorrow. So I'm in a hurry to do this. I'll definitely get it done, but yeah, it's just a bit of a last minute rush. It was supposed to be being shipped from Russia, I think, somewhere like that, and apparently they've got stock in this country, so yeah, that's good in one way. But yeah, if I didn't actually look at the shipping, the tracking, I would have never known it was going to come tomorrow, and I'd be absolutely stuck, and then it'd be a real rush to get it inside. But yeah, yeah, I just assembled that engine hoist today, because I knew I was getting this, but I just didn't realise I was going to be getting it so soon. Yeah, that's quite a good engine hoist, that, actually. I'll put a link in the description to it. I've seen a few of them, and the steel is not very strong. I don't know if you can see that, but it's reasonably thick steel on these ones. Some of them, they're really, really thin, and I doubt it would actually lift what it says it would lift. But it will take up to a ton, and with the jib out that long, and if you stick the jib out this long, it'll take 250 kilos, which is it's way under what I'm going to be lifting with it anyway. But I need to be able to lift what I'm getting tomorrow onto the dolly, and then move it across the garden, and get it into the shed. So yeah, I'm going to try to get this dolly done, and hopefully nothing goes wrong. Yeah, so the Uptime, it's called the Uptime Mig 160. This has been an absolute beast, this has. This has been a brilliant addition to my workshop over that transformer based one down there, which doesn't even get used anymore. Yeah, I mean, this was at £159, and I can weld at 160 amps for around about 10 minutes and it doesn't even cut out. It's ridiculous, really. And the thing doesn't even get hot, it's still blowing cold air. And also an update on the Work Zone portable bandsaw and stand. This thing is brilliant as well, I've got to say. I'd love to buy another one. I've got to say, at the price that they are. If they were a little bit cheaper and I had the money, I would definitely buy another one of them. Yeah, that's been brilliant. Also, an update on my little wood burner that I made. So in the end, the top used to open up the top here, and I used to load it from there, but in the end I put a door on the front. It's still a work in progress, really. It's not really finished. I never actually finished it. So I put a door on there. I've put some seal around there, that fiberglass rope seal, and works brilliantly. And just close the door, and as I say, it's not finished, so it's got one of those clips on there. Okay, so these wheels here, I didn't have any threaded rod which would go through the wheels there and fit nice and snug, but I did have some tubes, so I welded some tube at the back here, so I can just slide them straight on. That should work okay. And then all I've done is through the tube I've drilled a hole, and then I'm just going to put a washer like that, and then I've got a pop rivet there, and I'm just going to, I can't find any wire so pop rivet it is. I'm just going to put that rivet through there and then just bend it round with a pair of pliers, and that'll hold it on, and the same with the other one. And then the front ones, I've just got threaded rod up here, and that'll work fine. And then I'll just put some lock nuts on there. One of the bits of tube, I wasn't watching what I was doing when I was welding because I couldn't see properly through the helmet, and I actually had it jacked up on another piece of metal. So this one here is out of alignment, so it's a bit wibbly wobbly, but once it gets some weight on it, it will probably flatten out. And then I'm just going to put some wood across the top here, and then a board on top of that, and that should hopefully do the job. Okay, so I got it all done anyway. It's not too bad. It will definitely do the job. You know, I mean, it's only one job it's got to do. If it lasts any longer than that, no, it should last longer than that, but you know, it's not too bad. You can use it as a skateboard after, so you know, it should be good. It's only got to hold like 90 kilos. It holds my weight. I'm on my 65-70 kilos, so I ain't got to take much more weight than me. And yeah, I even actually got time to clean up, so not too bad. Yeah, so make sure you watch the next video, and then you'll find out what I need a engine hoist for and a dolly. Just hopefully I can get down the garden without the wheels sinking in, because if not I'll have a problem, but it should be okay. Yep, so thanks for watching. And yeah, make sure you watch the next video, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I next upload a video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.